Hello, this is Ranjan. Welcome to my channel. Motorola Nio design revealed via leaked image. Shows dual punch hole cutouts. What are the other highlights? Let's check it out. Motorola Nio is said to be in works and is expected to launch in 2021. A recent leak has revealed the complete specifications of the phone, including the chipsets and more. Now an alleged leaked image of Motorola Nio has been surfaced online, courtesy by Evan Blass, and it reveals the front design with full glory. The Motorola Nio can be seen with dual punch hole display, arranged separately for camera and video, ultra slim bezels, and a sizable chin below the display. The phone will have 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage and 5000 mAh of massive battery, and will run Android 11 out of the box. Motorola Nio is said to come with DisplayPort Alternate Mode that will allow connecting external displays. Guys, this video is going to be very interesting, and guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. As for the leaked specifications, the Motorola Nio is said to flaunt a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 1080 by 2520 pixels resolution and 105Hz refresh rate. It is tipped to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X65 SoC paired with Adreno 650 GPU, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone runs on Android 11 OS out of the box. Moving to the optics, the Motorola Nio is said to feature a triple camera setup comprising of a 64 megapixel OmniVision OV64B wide-angle sensor, a 16 megapixel OmniVision OV1610 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2 megapixel OmniVision OV02B1B depth sensor. There is a 16 megapixel OmniVision OV16F1Q wide-angle primary camera on the front, and an 8 megapixel Samsung S5K 4x7 ultra wide angle secondary lens for selfies and video chats. A 5000 mAh battery is said to fuel the phone. While the exact launch time isn't clear, the Motorola Nio is said to launch on Q1 of 2021. It also remains to be seen whether the Motorola Nio will be a part of Edge series. Let's check it out, the key specifications. So guys, this was all about the Motorola Nio powered by Snapdragon 865 processor. So how you like this video, please give me your likes, comments and shares. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whatever the latest deep informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.